That's what you been. I was blind, I was in it, I was right. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, like I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, but you're doing too much and you don't let go. And I know you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Baby, cause you're doing so much and you're trying too hard, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I cannot. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything from you.